We are in Melrose Park, Illinois. This is where our technical center is at. This is where the products come to life.
The test cell located behind me is one of our durability test cells. And what we do in here is we gather data and assess the performance of the engine.
Is this dyno? This measures the torque and horsepower output of the engine.
Our testing was very efficient. You run these hours and you run these miles.
And those miles and those hours that we test are typically at very high engine speeds and very high engine loads, which is far more aggressive than any customer application.
So here at the engine test facility, we also have a cold room that we're able to bring temperatures down to -40. It's a very cold temperature. Why that's important is because our customers see all sorts of conditions. They don't drive in a 77-degree sunny day every day. And it's important that the A26 is able to perform in all those conditions.
So you may have noticed we're standing in an anechoic chamber. This is a quiet room. We use it to test noise and vibration to make the engine as quiet as possible.
Very excited to get this engine out to the customer.
This engine is going to be very competitive.
This engine is ready for the task.
I'm very confident the A26 will quickly become a leader in the marketplace.